Hi, welcome back to our channel, Cooking for Hashimoto, where I share gluten-free recipes that I cook for my wife. Today we're gonna create, or we're not create today.
You're going to make watermelon arugula mint salad. Do I have to mention like every ingredient of this?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
We're gonna do a watermelon.
Watermelon mint salad. Do we have to?
Watermelon is in season, it's summer, it's hot outside. It's a great fruit for keep yourself hydrated. And when you combine that with arugula, mint, and feta cheese, that's like
so good.
Delicious.
I love it when you make the salad.
So we're gonna start by cutting the watermelon.
Okay. I'm not doing that, right? You're doing it.
No, I'm gonna cut the watermelon. So you can get let's say small to medium-sized watermelon. We're gonna use just half of the watermelon. We're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna cube it. The best way to get a watermelon is when you find this. The watermelon grows on the ground. So when this section is yellowish and the stripes are really green,
when it's dark,
those are like almost imperfect.
Oh,
very
really?
sweet, yes.
Because this is where it's been touching the ground.
It's been touching the ground. The more yellowish that this section is,
one section,
it's more ripe.
Gotcha. Oh wow! Look how beautiful.
Yes.
That looks beautiful. I'm gonna smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Are we gonna use this half?
We're gonna use this half. So we're gonna.
Did you know that in certain countries people eat the seeds of the watermelon because they're really, really good for you? It's got a whole bunch of.
My dad used to eat the seeds.
Really?
And I never understood why.
Yeah, apparently it's really good for your liver. It helps clean out your liver and helps the liver move toxins in your body.
So, but when are this small, it's not that.
It's not that bad to eat.
That bad. But what about when they're like big and black?
I don't know.
It's like crunchy. I know that you can also.
Well, apparently it's not the outside of the seed that's good for you; it's the inside. So, I guess there's a way to, I'm assuming. I don't know. I'm guessing because I've never eaten the seeds like purposely. That you can open them up and like sunflower seeds, I guess. But I don't know. I'm gonna do a little more research on that.
So a trick I have to cut the watermelon is I usually start by making a round with a knife and then going deeper. And then like an avocado, I start cutting on each pieces this way. Try to cut them in 1-inch cubes so it's easier to eat and bite. You don't have to use a knife to cut them while you're eating it.
So they've been pre-cut for everybody.
Yeah.
This is a great salad to have, like if you have people over for lunch during the summer, out by the pool.
It's a very refreshing salad.
You can take this to the beach too. We should take this to the beach next time.
Yeah. And then start.
Do you need a bowl?
See? Yes.
Look, magic.
Lifting the wood.
That's a cool trick.
And then you don't make a mess. You don't make a mess.
Here, do you want? I can help. You can't see what I'm doing though.
Put everything with juice and everything. We're gonna use the juice for.
And I'm leaving all these little seeds too,
Yes.
right? I need
Yes.
your help. Okay, thank you.
There you go. Good. If you want, you can use then cut the rest, and you can use this
The rinds.
the rinds to put the salad on top as a bowl.
Oh, that's true.
Next ingredient, arugula. So we're gonna put, the proportion is like 3 cups of arugula to 1 cup of watermelon.
I love arugula.
If you like more watermelon, you can use more watermelon. There's no rule about this, but 3 to 1 is a good proportion. You have the zesty of the arugula, you're gonna have the sweetness of the watermelon, the mint, and the freshness of the mint, and then the cheese. And
I love how we change plans. And
yeah, we have around 3 cups of arugula here.
it's already been washed, cleaned.
Yeah, everything washed clean.
Well, and we buy organic as well. Oops.
Now we're gonna cut some mint.
Okay, so then I'm gonna put this here.
We're gonna julienne some mint. Cut them in stripes, in little,
No, you do that. I'm not doing that.
in little.
I grow the mint, you cut the mint.
Yes. Very thin strips, so we can add it to the salad.
Do you know that watermelon, besides obviously it's like about 92% water, so it's really good for keeping you hydrated, especially during the summer. And we're in Miami, so it's really hot, so it all helps. But it's also super inflammatory.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, watermelon gets a bad rap because it's high in sugar, but it's natural sugar. And of course, you know, when we went through the keto fad, which most of us with Hashimoto's should not do keto. But again, diet is very personal. It all depends on you and your body, your system, and what you're going through. But it's usually not the best diet. So I've learned to incorporate certain things that somebody had stuck in my head that we shouldn't eat, and watermelon was one of them. And it's actually it's full of antioxidant support, so it helps with free radicals. So it helps protect your cells.
I remember that my mom used to tell me that don't eat watermelon at night.
Why?
Because it was it was full of water, and then
oh, it'd make you get up to go to the bathroom.
It make you go to the bathroom. Okay, so now we have the mint. Do you want to add it?
I mean, okay. All of it?
All of it.
Well, it smells so good. I'm proud of myself. I grew that mint.
While we're growing spices at home.
Well, we use a lot of them because you cook every day for every meal. And I trust what I grow more than what the grocery store gives me. I know that I'm growing it organically. I'm not adding any pesticides or anything to it. I talk to my plants every day, and they're happy. And they're happy to give us food.
Okay, now we're gonna add feta cheese.
Oh, we put the cheese on before.
Yes.
Okay, we are gonna use.
Put half of it, then we're gonna mix it, and then another half.
Okay.
And while you put the feta cheese, I'm gonna make the vinaigrette.
Okay, then I'll move out of your way. I just want to mention that we're not using like dairy milk feta cheese. I'm using, this is my favorite brand for feta cheese. It's Follow Your Heart. It's lactose free, soy free, and obviously gluten free because dairy doesn't have gluten in it. But it actually tastes like feta cheese. So if you're dairy free as well, this is a great brand. I actually trust this brand. So let me move out of your way.
Okay, for the vinaigrette, we're gonna just use olive oil, honey, and 1 lime. I'm just gonna, if you like more lime juice, you can put more lime. So we're gonna squeeze the juice of 1 lime. We're gonna add around a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. If you like more sweetness, add more honey. If you like less sweetness, less honey. And the secret, a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna mix it. Now we're ready to put everything. So to mix them all together.
And it's so colorful and pretty.
And while you're mixing it, you can keep adding a little bit of more feta cheese.
And then
More feta cheese.
no, I mean the.
Yeah, but a little more feta cheese. You can add up to a cup, maybe 12 ounces of feta cheese. You like feta cheese.
I love feta cheese. Okay.
Okay.
Vinaigrette. It'd be great if you added the vinaigrette. Yeah.
Let's try it.
You ready?
You first.
Mmm.
Good.
And I can taste my mint. Good, no?
Sweet, zesty with the arugula, very refreshing, and the mint gives it a nice touch at the end. And there you have it.
Easy.
Watermelon, arugula, and feta cheese salad. And you can make this in 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
If you like to see more recipes like this, hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to the channel. And leave your comments down below. Let us know if you like it, if you didn't like it.
And let us know if you have ideas for recipes you've always wanted to know how to make gluten-free and don't know how.
And any question that you might have for you, since you have Hashimoto, like you might have questions.
I love talking about my health journey and everything I've learned in the last decade experiencing Hashimoto's. So let me know. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.